First, let's navigate to the watermark removal tool. I'll type watermarkremover.io in the address bar. Let's click on the first search suggestion. Now that we have the tool loaded, let's get our watermarked image ready. Let's open our File Explorer to locate the watermarked image. Double-click on the example image. As you can see, this image has a repeating watermark pattern covering the entire photo of the girl. This is exactly what we want to remove. Let's close this and get ready to process it. Next, we'll upload this image to the watermark removal tool and see the magic happen. Let's drag and drop our watermarked image onto the upload area. The website is now processing our image. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the processing is complete, we'll be able to see the before and after comparison. The processing is complete, and you can see both images displayed side by side. Let's inspect the results by moving our cursor over different areas of both images. This magnified preview window makes it easy to see exactly how well the watermark has been removed. Great! Now that we've verified the quality, let's download our clean image. Let's download our watermark-free image. Great! The file has been successfully downloaded to your computer. Let's take a look at our final clean image to see the results. Let's open our clean image by clicking on the download notification. Here's our image completely watermark-free and ready to use however you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a watermark from your image in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.